Welcome to Ayudhas Commerce Academy. Myself, Professor Pradvit Chinchmalat.
We learned about the word that is finance and the management and the appointed person. The name is financial manager. Now we have to discuss about profit maximization and the wealth maximization. And in previous I define what is the meaning of finance. Finance means procurement of fund and proper utilization of fund. That is very important. Means anyone can procure the fund. Anyone can. If you want to purchase fridge, if you want to purchase suppose AC, cooler, etc. So you will get a loan from Bajaj, from bank, etc. Procurement. But proper utilization of fund, that is very important. Means at present tense we all are facing the problem of coronavirus. So our economical condition sunk by this situation, and each and every businessman facing that problem, and the customer also facing the problem. Employed persons now being unemployed, they all are facing the problem. So if suppose the government say the loan is available, what you want to do business activity, the government is ready to give loan. The word is very important, procurement of loan. And suppose government say, oh, anyone can take a loan to start the business. So 130 crore Indians are ready to take a loan. But that is not important. What is your object? What is your object? That is very important. Means the procurement of, the word is very important, procurement. Procurement of funds, that is very important. Means here is the word financial manager. Financial manager. Because who procure the fund is financial manager. Financial management manager wants to raise the for company. The name of company suppose ABC. That company wants to raise the fund. For that, the company appointed a financial manager. He is a qualified person, fully knowledgeable person. Means how the company can raise the fund. That's why company appointed this person. The first is very important. How much means loan, the word is very big. How much loan is needable, or what quantity of loan wants, that is very important. Means the 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crore, etc. Suppose I say that financial manager wants 10 crore. But before this, financial manager wants to think about that how much want. Means how much loan want for that company. How he can decide that 10 crore, 100 crore, 20 crore, 1000 crore. So that is depend upon the object of that company. If suppose the company wants to establish, means suppose TV means that company wants to manufacture the TV. For the manufacture means that process wants which type of fixed asset. That is very important. Which type of fixed asset? First is very important. Means there is a need of real estate. Real estate. That is very important. Real estate. Means there is a need of plot. Plot. Then construction. Construction. Then plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Constructions. Infrastructure. Infrastructure. Means the cost of that plant, cost of construction, cost of plant and machinery, and the cost of infrastructure. So we have to make a budget for that. When we sum of that cost as per the present market value, when you sum up that, the total, that is suppose 100 crores. So he want to broker 100 crores. So it is very clear here that 100 crores means the depend upon the size of that plant. And that financial manager want this 100 crores. Now, financial manager searching the options. Which type of options are available in market? Which type of? One is share. Share means equity share. Equity share. Second is debenture. Debentures. Third is term loan. Term loan. Retain earning. Retain earnings. Retain earnings. Share, debentures, term loan, retain earning. Means such an options are available. But which option is useful, would be beneficial to maximize the profit? Because the first basic object to maximize the profit. So how I can maximize the profit? In very beginning, the company wants to purchase the plot, and as per the need, there is a need to construct that plot, and there is a need to purchase plant and machinery and some infrastructure, means electric fitting, IT, etc. Means the first stage we have to use the amount of raise fund for this. After that, what happen? You will get, means company will get benefit for long term. Think about that plots, unbelievable service will get to company. Construction, when you think about the construction, the life of construction, maybe 50 years, 100 years, etc. Unbelievable benefit. Plant and machinery, that is depend upon their efficiency, capacity, They may be 10 year, 5 year, 20 year, etc. Will get. Infrastructure, there also specific life company can enjoy. But there is a need of 100 crores. Suppose the financial manager raise these 100 crore, I will discuss after that, raise suppose 100 crores and invest in this. Can it be possible to start the production of TV? Can it be possible? Answer is no. Because there is a need of liquidity. This word is very important. Liquidity. Liquidity. Liquidity is very important because utilization of plot, construction, plant and machinery and infrastructure, that is depend upon current asset. These are the fixed assets. You purchase the plot, construction, plant and machinery and some infrastructure. This is a fixed asset. You will get benefit 10 year, 20 year, 50 year, etc. No problem. But when you will get a benefit to produce, if you want to take a production of TV, so there is a need to purchase the raw material and supporting materials for that also. And our manager already invest that raise fund in this fixed assets. The problem created. So that's why the procurement of fund depend upon size, need, future, application, utilization of fixed asset. How you can utilize that, we have to discuss. Before this, using the word, you have to. Options are available. We will discuss this when share, debenture, term loan, return earning, etc. So, you understand why I repeated the same thing 2 more times. Means you got the meaning of that. Now, the financial manager, because on the basis of budget, I want to increase this budget because I made explanation if you invested that 100 crores, how you can purchase the raw materials and the payment of wages, payment of salaried person, corporation tax, electric bill, water bill, etc. Is it possible? The answer is no. So, I want more than 100 crores. Means that financial manager wants more than 100 crores. So, on the basis of this discussion, you agree for that, or there is a need of 150 crores. Means precisely we are not taking, because why I explain to understand. I have taken a problem, I made this problem only for understanding purpose. Means you may say just like 100, 150, 1000 crore, that is not important. Now, 50 crore we have to use. For what purpose? For the utilization of fixed asset. Means if the supply of electricity started, material purchase, we appointed the skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled persons, salaried persons. Now, the production of TV started. Because we have to use the plant and machinery. Think about that. Can you use the plant and machinery without the appointment of workers? Without the purchase of raw material? Answer is no. So, there is a need to purchase. That's why, again I want to say, the utilization depend upon current asset. So, question raised in your mind, oh, what is the meaning of current asset? Means I say, oh, there is a need of liquidity. Liquidity means lose cash, there is a need of. Means by that, I can meet the payments. That payment means salary, wages, electric bill, water bill, corporation tax, etc. Now, this question, profit maximization. How he can maximize the profit. Someone say, if I raise a question, how I can maximize the profit? Someone say, suppose the total cost of TV means manufacturing cost of that TV, suppose 7,000. This is the cost. And the profit added by that company, suppose 3,000. 3,000. Now means the selling price, that is 10,000. 10,000. Means company earned 3,000. But company wants to earn more profit. So someone say, increase the margin. Add 1,000. Automatically company will get 11,000. I want to say, we have no knowledge. What happened here? Anyone can say, just like anyone can make such a type of suggestion or increase the selling price by 1,000, 2,000, etc. Can it be possible? Because you are not only one in business environment. So many competitors are available. And here is the cutthroat competition at present tense. So, no one TV manufacturing company taken a decision just like. No. We have to minimize the cost of production. How we can minimize the cost of production, that is a different matter. I am saying just like, we have to think where we can save the cost, where we can save the time, how we can use the available knowledge. By that, automatically incurring costs may come down. I want to give a very little example we all are facing at home about the electric bill. What happened? Again, means now I want to discuss this matter in Hindi. क्या होता है? 4-5 रूम का घर है और हर रूम में जाहिर सी बात है एलईडी बल्ब तो लगाया होगा, 7 वाट का, 2 वाट का, जो कुछ है। अब क्या होता है, रूम में कोई भी नहीं होता है तो भी लाइट चालू होता है, रखा जाता है, भाई क्या है अभी तो गए और आना ही है तो क्यों बंद करें। लेकिन दिमाग लगाना अपने को ऐसा है, वो बात नहीं कि मैं 5 मिनट के बाद उसी रूम में आ रहा हूं, इसी वजह से मैंने वह ऑफ नहीं किया। ऐसे हर इसमें बोला जाता है, आपके पिताजी ने भी बोल दिया है, बेटा तू तो वहां पे नहीं है, तो आप आंसर देंगे कि नहीं मुझे और जाना ही है ना वहां पे, इसलिए मैंने बंद नहीं किया। हर शख्स अपने माता पिता को और माता पिता भी आपको वही आंसर देंगे, लेकिन इसमें बहुत छुपा है। क्या छुपा है? देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं। अगर कोई शख्स यह बोलता है, फैमिली मेंबर, कि भाई 2 मिनट के बाद वहां जाना ही हो, ठीक है, 365 दिन है, 365 दिन, 365 दिन और 2 मिनट, सोचो तुम, 365 दिन और 2 मिनट, फैमिली मेंबर है समझो 5, हर फैमिली मेंबर यही बोलता है 2 मिनट। अब 365 के जगह में 360 दिन करता हूं, कैलकुलेशन के लिए अच्छा हो जाएगा, तो 360 यानी हो गए, कितने हो गए? 720, 730, 730 क्या हुए? मिनट हो गए। उसको आवर्स में कन्वर्ट कर दो, क्योंकि 60 मिनट का 1 आवर होता है, यानी 7-8 घंटे हो गए। सोचो आप, ये तो एक फैमिली मेंबर की बात है, ऐसे 5 लोग, तो कितना हुआ? 8 घंटे 5 मेंबर, 40 घंटे हो गए। 40 घंटे, सोचो आप लोग 40 घंटे। So each and every saving automatically increase your earning and profit. automatically. And this is very minor, means mistake, deliberately made by each and every person. Because we are not interested to give importance to second. We are interested to give more importance to hour. But I want to say, give importance to second, half second, x. That is very important. Because by my calculation, you will get answer. Means, think about that 40 hours bill. 40 hours bill. Think about that. Means, our bill may come down. So, same thing I want to use in the manufacturing process. This is the duty of that financial manager. This is the responsibility of that financial manager, production manager, supervisor, and the managers of each and every departments are responsible to maximize the profit. Only one FM can't increase. So, this is the responsibility of each and every appointed person of that manufacturing unit. So, we can maximize the profit. If we maximize the profit, if we get a success, automatically wealth may be maximized. Because question is very important here. I want to raise that question. When I say profit maximization, no one can say the limit of maximization. How much? Now, after, in future, for what period, etc. No one can explain the quantity. Because I say profit maximization, but how much? That all are depend upon the nature size of that company. No one can say profit maximization is this a limit. No, it is not possible. That is very important. But first is very important. I use here procurement of funds. We have to procure that fund on the basis of, means these are the sources: share, debenture, term loan and retained earning. But within a period, means it is not possible to discuss this. So, I want to make explanation how the financial manager can choose to maximize the profit. To maximize the profit. By that, easily we can maximize the wealth. Think about that. Plot, construction, plant and machinery and infrastructure. Now we build a TV, means we have taken a production of that TV. And month by month, due to modernization, modern technique, etc., we be ready to accept that changes. So we have to increase in future construction, plot, plant and machinery and infrastructure also, and accept it expansion. We have to make some expansion. That is very important. Expansion. How you can? Profit maximization. Profit, if your profit maximize, automatically you can think for wealth maximization. You can think for wealth maximization. And someone say loan is available, you will get a loan. So automatically a loan borrowed from number of banks and create the wealth. And don't think for profit maximization. Don't think for profit maximization, because number of options are available, and automatically if suppose that this company wants again 100 crores, take a loan from bank. Don't think for profit maximization. And started the establishment of construction, plant and machinery infrastructure. So what happened here? Nirav Modi created, Mallya created, so many, not both are. So many people are interested to enjoy this. So I will give a thorough explanation how the financial manager can raise the fund to maximize the profit and wealth by that, because our dream superpower nation. How it is possible? This is the duty of each and every person of India, and it can be possible. So we will discuss thoroughly about the profit maximization and wealth maximization in next video.
Subscribe my channel to learn financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, financial management, financial derivatives, economics, and for other commerce subject at your home. For that, press a bell icon for notification. Post your doubts and queries in comment box. Thank you.